Hey there, Facebook users, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a step-by-step guide for you on how to delete a Facebook page using your mobile device. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, make sure you have the Facebook app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't already, download it from your app store. Once it's installed, open the app. Make sure your page is opened. Step 2. Go to Settings. After opening the app, click on the menu option at the bottom right corner, then click on Settings at the top right corner. Step 3. Click on Page Settings. After clicking on Settings, click on Page Settings. Step 4. Access and Control Settings. Once you are on the page settings, swipe down until you find Access and Control Settings. After finding, click on Access and Control. Step 5. Deactivation and Deletion. Then after this, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Then you will find two options. Click on the above option if you want to temporarily delete your page. And if you want to permanently delete your page, click on the below option, then click on Continue. Step 6. Enter your password. Then give your password if you want to delete. After entering your password, click on Continue to delete your page. And there you have it, folks. Deleting a Facebook page on your mobile device is a straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.